For all of the enormous controversy over it, President Obama says it's a historic day because the health insurance marketplace is open for business. Problem is, many Americans can't get on it. Consumer watchdog Jenn Strathman shows you the problem.
Well, we knew that there would be glitches, but this many, that's the big question. A lot of people thought they would at least be able to go online to healthcare.gov and view insurance policies. But let me show you what I saw at 7 a.m. this morning when I went on and tried to create an account. I got an error message that said your account couldn't be created at this time. This system is unavailable. So let's take a live look right now to see what's happening with the health insurance marketplace. I'm still waiting and hold. I've been on this screen for about 10 minutes. The president said more than 1 million people tried to access healthcare.gov before 7 a.m. this morning. While many people never expected to buy a policy today, they at least wanted to see their options, especially the insurance brokers and navigators who are supposed to be helping you sign up for coverage. John Foley is a licensed navigator with Legal Aid. He said he couldn't even get answers through the government's web chat.
We don't even know what this looks like. You know, we thought as navigators we'd get some advanced look. We didn't get any advanced look, and now obviously we can't even look at anything.
Now, coming up at 6 o'clock, we'll talk to a computer expert who will give some perspective on all of these delays. Again, this is a live look at the health insurance marketplace right now. We're still waiting in line to create an account. I have not spoken with anyone today who has been able to get into the system. I'm News Channel 5 consumer watchdog Jenn Strathman fighting for you.
Again.